Hi there, I was sent this free product by a seller from my honest review. So this is cordless vacuum. I've been using it for a few days and I really enjoy it. So let me open it, show you what comes inside and how it works and what the features I like. So this is all what came inside of the package. So here is I'm assembling this vacuum. It was super easy and quick to assemble. I didn't have to use even the instructions. It came together like a puzzle. So overall really easy. So here's the assembled product. This is a really nice vacuum. I really like that it does come with a couple of attachments like this one, a soft brush, of course the floor one. It did come with some screws and a little cleaning brush so you can clean that, and you can put your attachments on this and mount this. It has some place for the screws, so you can mount this onto the wall just like the Dyson. So you click it and it's gonna be, here's gonna be the wall, so it's gonna be on the wall, which is really cool. I do like that this vacuum comes with this battery. It's rechargeable, so you pretty much just plug it in and recharge the battery. This battery is good enough. It's gonna last you to vacuum for about an hour, and whenever your battery starts getting low, you will see a message on this large display. Really like this display. I'm gonna turn it on. So to activate it, you're gonna press this button over here, so it's gonna start up the vacuum. The three modes, there is a floor, so it's a low suction, a carpet medium suction, and a turbo. And turn it off, and just click this button again. So it does have a couple of filters, this one inside and also one over here, and you can wash it, and whenever it gets dirty, just make sure you allow it about 24 hours to get it completely dry before you put it back in. This part is removable. So I left some trash in there because I want to show you how I empty this. Super easy to empty the trash container. So you just press this button over here and it's going to open it up, the little door. So speaking of the filters, there are three filters. This one that you can wash and dry, and there's this filter over here, and then you put this part right over here. Align it right here this way, and your filter going to be on top. And it snaps right in place. Okay, so this stick over here, it is adjustable height, and whenever you press on this button, it extends and it goes up to like a little bit above my waistline, and whenever you collapse it, the same principle, so it's gonna be right below my waistline. Another feature that I really like, that you can remove this brush to be cleaned. So this tool over here, so you just open this up and use this. So you take this out and then you can clean it from hair and all different particles. So that's a really nice feature. And it is super easy to put it back in. Align it and just snap it in place. One of the other features that I like, that there is a green light over here, so it will light up your path and it will be very easy for you to see where you want to vacuum. So let me put it in action and show you how easy it is to use and how well it picks up the dirt. Really like that it can stand up on its own. So convenient if you decide to take a little break whenever you're vacuuming, it can just stand on its own. So you're gonna place your foot, So you activate it so that can move really easily, and you can get in a tight spaces. And let me show how it picks up the dirt. I'm going to turn it on, select the carpet. So overall, I'm really impressed with this vacuum. It is very lightweight, it's small, it's easy to carry around. If you need to vacuum your floors, carpet, stairs, that's gonna do the job, even the car. Overall, really impressed with this vacuum and recommend it for anyone who is looking for a good quality vacuum.